With the fall Amazon Prime Day sale ending this week, Amazon was hit with an incredible lawsuit claiming it assisted in the deaths of at least 2 teen girls by selling a so-called suicide kit. I'm Kim Komando, brought to you by T-Mobile. Their advanced network now goes farther than ever before. Visit T-Mobile.com/55 today. A chemical called sodium nitrate is used in industry as a preservative. If ingested, it can be fatal. The lawsuit claims that even after being warned by parents, parental groups, and government agencies and regulators that sodium nitrate has no household use, Amazon continued to sell to individuals for under $20. According to court filings, when customers purchase the sodium nitrate, Amazon also recommended they purchase a book to go along with it. The book was called The Peaceful Pill Handbook. A chapter in the book provided complete instructions on how to administer the sodium nitrate and die. Amazon has removed the product. Try my new daily podcast called Kim Komando today.